What's up, y'all? How y'all doing today? It's your boy G. Look, I wanted to bring you a 3-minute video just to show you guys how you can maximize shooting one pose. Alright, so I started off on the ground. As you can see, of course, I forgot to tell you who I'm shooting. I'm actually shooting a grad shoot. This is with Jake. He graduated, and I'm talking about this dude has a pretty bright future. But yeah, as you can see, I'm down on the ground right now because sometimes you have to get down and dirty for the shot, right? So I'm checking out my settings. As you can see, I'm shooting off-camera flash today. It's sunny. The sun is actually behind my back. I think I shot this session around maybe 6 o'clock in the evening, maybe 7 o'clock or something like that, right? Alright, so I got the shot that I wanted down on the ground. I'm gonna put it up, the unedited version of the pic, right? So now, as you can see, I'm directing Jake. I asked Jake if he can move one of his braids over to the side just so I can see his face and his jawline a little bit more. You can't see the camera right now, but I'm shooting with my Sony A7R III. The strobe that I'm using is the Flashpoint 600, Explorer 600, and the trigger that I'm using is a Godox. I forgot which one I'm using, but I'm using one. All right. So right now I'm directing Jake, as you can see, and we're moving around, trying to make it happen, trying to get different vantage points of the same pose. A lot of times what happens is people run out of poses sometimes because they don't maximize the different positions that they can get in order to capture different vantage points and different variations of the same pose. That's what I meant to say. So now I'm getting down again, but I'm getting from a different point. Anytime you hear me saying woo, or anytime you hear me making a crazy sound or something, that's when I got a dope shot. So yeah, man, that last shot was fire. So now I'm sitting on the ground. I'm sitting on Jake's right over there by the net. And yeah, man, I'm just trying to maximize the different positions that I can get in with this one pose. I don't always do it this way, but on this day I decided, you know what, let me maximize this because I really don't shoot on tennis courts that often, so I just wanted to maximize whatever I can get. It was very sunny, it was very hot. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it was steaming out there that day, you know, but I'm gonna put the shots up in here again. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, please drop a comment below. If you're watching this on YouTube, hit that sub button. If you're watching this on social media, follow me, man, and holler at your boy.